Folks, as you're coming down, if you can do me a favor and step this way so that the folks coming off the carousel will have room to come up the ramp. That'll be fantastic.
Inside the main cabin, and 5 life rafts up top above the pilot house. Luckily, I don't think we need those today. It's been at least a week since we've turned the boat over and flipped it over, so it's nice and dry. We should be fine. And I'm kidding, we never do that. We perfectly safe ride out there today. Once again, no smoking vessel and stuff. Don't get the bar downstairs. Same direction. There's that baby again popping out of the water with the floats on the right. And right to us on the right-hand side, folks. Doesn't get much better than this. Get those video cameras out. Get a good video. Come right to us. There we go. Right to us on the right-hand side. 15-20. Now, those Dolphin are headed towards the north. Unfortunately for us, just a little ways out from us, there is another one of those sandbars, and I will have to thank you upstairs for being cooperative. Now we're around, you see that the boat is nice and stable. We're not having any issues with leaning to one side or the other. So Dolphin, real close to all over the place. Group of Dolphin directly ahead. I'm going to try and take those Dolphins down the right hand.
Hey, DK. Just a look.
Where's the Dolphin?
तो धक्का लगे पोल पड़े गए गलो
Sounds good. I'll slow down a little bit. If you look right to the right towards the beach, we have another group of dolphins right here. As I mentioned before, we had a very, very healthy population of dolphin here off the coast. So about 50 before. We got a small group in here.
সবাই কিন্তু উপরে ওঠার জন্যই দৌড়াচ্ছে
Back in the 1990s, Skipper refers and turning into the amusement pier that you see today, including this giant Ferris wheel, one of the largest Ferris wheels in the nation, was built a few years ago. The cars on that are climate controlled. They are cooled and they are heated. You can buy a beverage or two, take up with you. It takes about 20 minutes to go around White Straight to see the city. It does all the other rides, the slingshot ride, salt pepper. The tent at the end is a bar. There at the end, a bar and music venue right at the end of the steel pier. And of course they do helicopter rides right at the end of the steel pier as well. Towards resorts. And directly ahead of us will be the Landshark Bar and Grill, built right there on the beach, as well as Margaritaville on the other side of the boardwalk. Those are both associated with resorts, which is run by both Margaritaville and Mohegan Sun.
Maybe you're right. I think it's just like a capture restaurant.
Yeah, Dolphin.
Coming down our right-hand side. My guess is we have about 35 to 50. Yeah, definitely towards the 50 individuals in this group. There's a small group right ahead of us, so went down the right-hand side of the boat. Some should be behind the boat as well. Left-hand side, thank you for your patience. I will be turning just as soon as I can to get you guys a good view as well. Juveniles cut right down by the bow, where you see how close they get. So these dolphins are our resident dolphins. I say resident, they are not here year-round, of course. These dolphins are migratory.
Sister, see, count the dolphin.
The end of October. The reason why is the water temperature. Dolphins prefer water temperature is in the order between 55 and 75 degrees. Once that water temperature gets down below 55, they will migrate south. However, we call them resident dolphins because these same dolphins come back year after year. So we have dolphin here on the right hand side. Left side of your vegetation right now. Alrighty, left side. If you look in towards the beach, those dolphins should be coming up about 30 yards off, so maybe 20 yards off, just a moment. Folks on the right got some on the right hand side as well, right off the bow. There we go, folks on the left. There's the group right there, coming real close. So those can right to it. By the way, when they do that, when you see them pop that heads up out of the water, what they are doing is a behavior called spy hopping. That means they are taking a look at you. Believe it or not, there we go to the north. Please do make sure that you keep one hand for the railing at all times. You want to make sure everything's a safe and comfortable trip. We're going to head out here past the seawall and out into Absecon Inlet. Before we head out into the Atlantic Ocean, once we get a little further out, I'll pop back on and let everybody know exactly what it is we are looking for and how we're going to spot these dolphins today. Don't forget, these are wild dolphins. It is a dolphin watch, not a dolphin show. They are not tagged. They are not trained. They are wild dolphins. They do whatever it is that they want. Our job is to go out and find them. So, we're going to get around the edge of the seawall out here, then I'll pick up. As you see, a little bit of a breeze out here today, so folks who have on hats are on the lake long and keep watching those hats. They blow them. Do not go back with them. So do keep a hold on those light items.
Big wave.
Folks, as we head out the Absecon Inlet, we have a little thing of wind against the tide. Here we have an outgoing tide. The water is rushing out of Absecon Inlet out towards the Atlantic Ocean, the same direction we're traveling. But the wind and the waves are blowing inwards. That's going to make them stand up just a little bit more. So do be warned, folks in the front, if it's possible. Not likely, I'm not trying to do it, but if it's possible. I think you might get a little bit of a splash right there in the front, in the bow. Might be a little bit of a splash note on our way out here. Just because we're heading straight into the wind and straight into the waves. Not big, not dangerous. Again, a little 1 to 2 foot waves, real small. But just wanted to let everybody know.
Ah. চলেন। What is like the scenario? It's nice. Today we came to water club and we'll use cruise to see the dolphin. This is building golden nugget. You can eat it. Just kidding. This building's name is golden nugget. Its shape is like nugget. Maybe that's why it's called nugget. I don't know.
Did you try this before? Is it good?